If you've got to make a long chain for something that you're making and then work your first row into those chains, it can be a bit of a nuisance counting how many chains you need to make and keeping it to a decent tension. So there is an alternative. You can do foundation stitches where you work the stitches in the first row at the same time as creating the base chain. Interesting. So I'm just going to start with a slip knot with my short side at the top so that I can tighten it when I need to. There we go, tighten that. Now I am going to make a series of foundation single crochets if you're US based or double crochets if you're UK based. As we know, the same name is used for different things, but never mind, we'll survive. So foundation, I shall call them single crochets for now. So we were going to start with 2 chains, not too tight. Then I'm going to work into the back bump of that first chain there. So just go into there, do my yarn over and pull through. Now normally if you were just making a single crochet, you'd go yarn over and pull through both, but I'm not. I'm going to make a chain first. So yarn over and pull through, don't pull it too tight. That makes my base chain. Then I'm going to do yarn over and pull through 2 to make my single crochet. So now what I've got is a base chain there. I'm going to go through both loops of that chain to do my next stitch. So yarn over, pull through, keep it nice and straight there. Yarn over, pull through 1 to create my next base chain, and yarn over, pull through 2 to create my single crochet. Let's do that again. Into that base chain that you've just made as you've gone along through both parts of the stitch, yarn over, pull through. I like to give it a little sort of tug here to keep it all straight. Yarn over, pull through 1 to create the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do a few more into that last chain that you made, front and back parts of it. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1 to make your chain, and yarn over, pull through 2. Just a few more and then I'll show you how lovely and stretchy this is. So don't forget, you make your chain first and then you make your single crochet. Go through the last chain, make your next chain, and then make your single crochet. And as you can see, it's lovely and stretchy. So there's no problem with not knowing how many chains to make, because you just keep going until you've got the number of stitches that you need on your first row. And there's no problem with the tension being too tight. Hope that helps.